Brazing. In this video, we are going to see about brazing. Brazing is essentially similar to soldering, but it gives a much stronger joint than soldering. Consider a setup with flux material, welding torch, filler rod, and workpiece. Brazing is joining of two metal pieces by using a filler metal. Mostly copper-based alloy and silver-based alloys are used. In brazing, the base metal of work pieces to be joined is not melted, but filler metal is melted. This filler metal is in the form of liquid adheres to the base metal, and the joint is made between the two work pieces.